Hello everyone, good morning. Can anyone confirm audible or not? You can use your chat window. Am I audible? Yeah. So let's start. My name is Srinu. I have overall 10 years of experience as a full stack engineer. Okay, I worked on Java in my earlier days. After that, I worked on Angular, and then currently I'm working for React as well as Python as a backend. So come to our course. The overall course duration is like 60 hours. The overall course duration is like 60 hours. As part of this course, we are going to cover like including prerequisites. Okay, so to learn React, what things are required, those also we are going to cover as part of this course. Okay, that means if you are a fresher, you don't have any knowledge, okay, you are working for some other technology like testing or some other, you want to shift, okay, then that time also, okay, prerequisites and everything we are going to cover in this class itself. There is no need to join any other, okay, JavaScript or HTML CSS sessions. As part of this course only, we are going to cover all these things. So the total course duration is like 60 hours. As part of this course, content wise, what we are going to discuss, let me open our content. I created one workspace folder for our batch. This is the one. Okay. So we are going to take like 60-hour sessions. As part of this one, we are going to cover this content. First, today and tomorrow, just it's a kind of interaction sessions. Okay. Why this course is required? Why this course is required? Okay. What if you learn this course? Okay, what kind of opportunities we can get it, this kind of interaction session we are going to, okay, cover these 2 days. After that, day after tomorrow onwards, our actual sessions are going to begin. Okay, that is from HTML. Okay, maximum this HTML, it's going to take like 2 to 3 hours. I'm sure that I can cover, I can make it like, okay, complete within 3 hours, this HTML part. After that, we are going to start with CSS. CSS, it is going to take like minimum 6 to, okay, 8 hours like that. As part of CSS, we are going to cover these many things. Now you can ask a question. Hey, I joined for React, then why you are teaching all this stuff? HTML, CSS, why I need it? Now see, if you join as a React.js developer, or it is like an Angular, okay, or any kind of front end, okay, any kind of front end library or framework you can use to develop UI applications. Vue, for example, Backbone. Internally, they are going to use to prepare the template HTML only. Internally, they are going to use like HTML only. Either you can use Angular. Okay, you should have to write the code to prepare the templates. For example, if you want to create this particular page by using React, this zoom is there. You have to write one image tag. That image tag is coming from where? Coming from HTML only, but that is rendered by using React. So the basic thing is like, if you want to design or develop a template internally, we are going to use like HTML only. That is common for any library or framework. Either it is a React, or either it is a Angular, or it is a Vue.js, or it is a Backbone.js, whatever it is, we are going to use like HTML only to prepare the templates. That's the reason minimum basics are required. Minimum basic knowledge is required on HTML. Okay, HTML, It's okay, fine. Why the CSS is required? Why the CSS is required means, see, by using HTML, you can prepare, okay, one template like this, okay, one template like this. That template, I want to make it like look and feel. Look and feel, see this zoom image, I want top left corner with some space, I want to place it. Support and English is there in the top right corner with some space, support and English I want. In the center, I want this text. I want the button in the center and with the background color is like something like this blue. If you want to make your template look and feel, if you want to make your template look and feel, if you want to make it like that, then that time CSS is required. Wherever we are going to use this HTML to prepare the templates, that templates, if you want to make it like look and feel, that CSS is required. That CSS is required, so that to prepare the template in React, HTML and CSS is common. Prepare the template in Angular, HTML and CSS is common. Vue, HTML and CSS is common. Got my point? That's the reason what things are required to learn React. HTML, how much part is required? Okay, that one we are going to cover first 2 or 3 days. Okay, CSS, how much part is required? Okay, that one we are going to cover in CSS. So first 10 days, okay, we are going to cover like HTML and CSS. Got my point? Why it is required? Okay, the next thing is like, okay, 10 days completed. The next thing is like, come to the JavaScript. In JavaScript, these many topics we are going to cover. Okay, don't think like after HTML 10 days completed, okay, next we are going to start like JavaScript. It's take like 30 days. First 30 days, he not start any React course. Don't think like that. Only first 10 days, we are going to cover like HTML and CSS. After that, JavaScript and React go parallel. JavaScript and React, we are going to teach like parallel. Okay, for example, this is my React. Here, how you can prepare the template, one concept is there. For that, how the functions are looks like in JavaScript, that knowledge is required. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to cover like JavaScript functions concept, and then I move to React functional components. Like that, whenever the JavaScript knowledge is required for my React topic, first I'm going to cover that JavaScript topic, and then I come to my React. So after 10 days, my JavaScript and React go parallel till end of the classes. Got my point? As part of JavaScript, we are going to cover these many topics. Again, same question. I came here for React to learn React, then why I need this JavaScript? Okay, I want to tell one thing. If you go for any interview, okay, Angular, React, Vue, any front end. For example, the interview duration is like 1 hour. First 2 to 5 minutes they are going to spend on HTML. Okay, next 5 minutes they are going to spend on CSS. Next 30 minutes, I'm sure that minimum 30 minutes they are going to spend on JavaScript. After that, if they satisfied with your knowledge of these 3 main JavaScript knowledge, if they satisfied, after that they are going to ask, hey, your project on React, your project on React, or your project on Angular, or your project on Vue.js, then that time they are going to start asking the questions on either React or Angular or Vue.js. So first minimum 30 minutes before asking the questions on React, they are going to ask the questions JavaScript. If they're not satisfied with the JavaScript knowledge, I'm sure that they will not go to the next level. Okay, simply the wrap there itself, they close. That much is important. JavaScript is like a core thing to learn any JavaScript library or frameworks. Okay, either React or Angular or Vue, whatever it is, to learn. Okay, JavaScript is an important basics. Okay, core JavaScript is important. That's the reason, as part of our course, we are going to cover these many JavaScript topics. Each and every topic is an important. Okay, don't think like, okay, after complete JavaScript we are going to start like React. JavaScript and React go parallel. Got my point? All are agreed with me? Okay, that's the reason we are going to focus on JavaScript. Okay, if you don't have JavaScript knowledge, if you learn some React topics also, okay, today in my company I got a project on React. Okay, tomorrow my client said like, hey, I want one project, can you develop on Vue.js? They asked like that. If you know only React concepts and everything, then that time to learn Vue.js again, it takes so much time. Okay, if you know JavaScript, then that time you can easily learn any JavaScript library or frameworks. You can easily understand the syntax. That's the reason core JavaScript is required for Java to learn any frameworks like Spring or whatever it is. How core Java helps you. For .NET, how my C# helps you. Okay, for my Python, how my core and advanced Python to learn Django or Flask. Okay, how it helps. Same like that. To learn any JavaScript libraries or frameworks, JavaScript is that much important. Got my point? That's the reason our main focus also are what? Okay, JavaScript only. Why? Because okay, this course, see, if you are already working people, no problem, they are working. Okay, freshers. Okay, and who has the gap? Who has the gap? I'm sure that this course helped for you people, freshers, and who has some gap, who want to put some experience. Working people, leave it. They are working. Who want to put some experience, I am sure that with this content you can easily put like 2 to 3 years of experience. Okay, my side I can deliver the content, but from your side if you want to put like some 2 years or 3 years of experience, day to day, okay, you have to practice our topics in the class. What we are going to deliver, you have to practice. Okay, we are going to give some assignments, you have to practice, you should have to follow. Working people, they don't have time to practice, but you people, freshers and who has some gap, okay, those people should have to follow. Okay, our assignments daily basis, what we are going to give, you should have to follow, you should have to do that one. Okay, I'm sure that after 60 days just you can upload your resume, whatever the content we are going to deliver, the same content. Okay, okay, helpful to you. This content will help you, helpful to you to crack your interview, I'm sure that. Got my point? Okay, now come here again, come to our content. So first 3 days HTML. Okay, day after tomorrow onwards our actual sessions are going to start. Today and tomorrow, okay, we are going to just, it's a kind of interaction session. Okay, CSS, it's take like, okay, 6 to 8 hours. Okay, JavaScript and React go parallel. Okay, in JavaScript these many topics: variables, functions, array methods, string methods, JSON object, how to get the reference. Each and every topic is important. Each and every topic we are going to use in React, not only React, to learn any UI library or framework. Apply styles, events, what is debouncing in JavaScript, throttling, async versus defer, oops concepts, set timeout, set interval, okay, browser storages, bomb objects, call, apply, bind methods, call, apply, bind methods, what is closure, what is event bubbling, event capturing, exception handling in JavaScript, callbacks, promises, async and await, Ajax. Without question, there is no interview. Okay, these topics: exception handling, callbacks, promises. Okay, async functions, arrow functions, ES6 topics. These are like spread operator, array and object destructuring, event looping, generators, regular expressions, varlet constant, okay, variable and method hosting. These many topics we are going to cover as part of JavaScript. Don't think like after completion of JavaScript we are going to start like React. Don't think like that. React and JavaScript go parallel. Next, come to our React. If you know JavaScript, React is very simple. You can easily learn. Just you have to remember that syntax. The logic is like JavaScript only. So our topics are like why we go for React. Okay, how to prepare the templates. Okay, for example, I want to create a login template. I want to create a registration. I want to create one form. Okay, how we can prepare, how we can create the templates by using React. Okay, how to handle the events. Okay, how to take the data, states and props. Okay, these many topics we are going to discuss as part of React. As part of React. Okay, not completed 20 topics. It's a core one. Now, once you completed your application, okay, application development, next level is what? See, it is total end to end we are going to discuss. It is not only focus on React, everything. Okay, once our application development is completed, you have to deploy your code. You have to publish or not. How we can publish our React application in GoDaddy, how we can publish our application in AWS, how we can publish our application in Vercel. Okay, how to deploy your application. Okay, if you deploy your application in this world, anyone can see your application. Okay, come up with your requirements. You can create your application, just you can publish it. In this world, anyone can see it. Okay, version control we are going to discuss like a Git in our class. Okay, I want a backend. Okay, Node.js I'm going to cover as part of backend. Don't think like Node.js total. Okay, 30% we are going to cover in Node.js to handle our API calls. I want to create some REST API calls to communicate with my database. For that purpose, I am using Node.js. Okay, backend as part of our course, we are going to use like a MongoDB. Okay, state management at application level, I want to handle by using Redux. So how to implement Redux in your React application? Okay, same like that. JuStand is one more library to handle the state management at application level. At this moment, okay, it is like new terminology for you. Okay, just I'm going to share this content with you. Just you only go through that. The next one is like React hooks we are going to cover. Use state, use effect, use if, these many hooks. Each and everything is an important. Okay, and then one end-to-end application I am going to cover, one online test application. Okay, client and server application and MongoDB. Okay, the next one is like GraphQL. I am going to introduce the same application I am going to cover by using GraphQL. Okay, JW token, JSON Web Token I'm going to cover. Weekends, Next.js and React Native and React with TypeScript we are going to cover. Webpack we are going to cover. As part of this course, you need to install these softwares. Visual Studio Code software is an editor. Git software you need to install. Desktop Git you need to install. MongoDB, it's a software you have to install. MongoDB Compass you need to install. Node.js software, Postman, SOAP UI. These all softwares you need to install as part of the course. You need to create some accounts. I want to play with that accounts. Okay, one is like GitHub account you need to create. It's a free account. Vercel account you can create. It's a free account to deploy your code. MongoDB account you have to create. Cloud Mongo, I want to use it. AWS account you can create. It's a 1 year free account. They are going to ask credit card or debit card details. You can give it, no problem. The next one is like npmjs.com. You can create an account. Okay, these accounts you need to create as part of our course. Whatever I placed here, each and everything we are going to cover. For that, I needed like 60 hours. Okay, and finally, this is our learning website. Okay, in this website, you can find all our topics. Okay, you can directly go to the website, you can view that. Got my point? Okay, now let me share this content with you. Okay, take 2 minutes, go through that content. If you have any questions, you can unmute and talk. Okay, let me go through this content with you. Okay, just share this content with you and then you can go through. Okay, now, okay, this is my job. Don't think more what I'm doing now. Don't think more what I'm doing now. Okay, I will tell what is this FileZilla and everything, but at this moment not. currently what I'm doing. Okay, don't think more about that one. Okay. Yeah. Can you open your browser? Can you go to this website, uijavakit.com? This is my own website. It is always up and run. Okay, let me share that link with you in the chat. Can you click on that website, uijavakit.com? Can you come down? Okay, just here, you can see the React.js, one tile, React.js. Click on that React.js tile. Once you click on this one, can you come down? At last, you have one today class link is there. Today class. Click on the today class link. Now one zip file downloaded, right? Can you extract? One zip file downloaded. Go to the downloads folder. Can you extract that? Once you extract it, you can see, okay, our content file there. You can see our content file there. Can you go through that? Go to uijavakit.com. I shared that link. Just click on the React.js. Okay, come down. At last, you can find one link today class. Just click on that. Just click on that. Okay. Are you able to see? Are you able to see? I need some responses. Are you able to download? You can use your chat window. Yes. Okay. Now you can unmute and you can talk about this course and content one by one. If you have any questions.
Hello.
Yes.
Hi, this is Karthik.
Yes.
So, how many sessions for a React.js?
It's like 40, 42. Okay, it's like 60 hours means we are going to take some weekends also. Then the time it may be extend. Okay, 3 hours like that. Okay.
Okay, weekend it's a 3 hours.
Yeah.
So, but usually you could say it's a 40 hours for React.js, 20 hours for a HTML JavaScript.
Yeah.
Okay, are we going to cover JavaScript in depth, in functional programming or in depth of ES6 features?
Yes, ES6 features, all these things. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Good.
Myself, Ramesh.
Mm-hmm.
Is it okay for freshers? Sir?
Yeah,
This
that's
camp.
all. To learn this course, okay, no need any prerequisites. Okay, just we are going to start from scratch, from HTML.
Yes, sir. And I mean, we have a basic knowledge on front end side.
Okay, if it is there, that is well and good. Okay, if it is not there also, we are going to start from scratch. You have to practice more, you have to focus more.
By the end of these sessions, we will do any projects, sir?
Obviously. Okay, if you practice well, okay, day to day, then the time you can create your own project end to end, front end, back end as a Node.js, MongoDB your database, one front, okay, one end to end application, one full-fledged application you can create.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, but practice is required.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a question, Ashwini here. Do you cover how to deploy in Docker container? Because it's widely used, right, these days?
Yeah, that one, okay, we are going to use like a Vercel through Docker or not. Okay, here build and deploy in GoDaddy, I will tell in the AWS and Vercel, but it is like, okay, we not create any Docker image and deploy. Okay, for that setup is required. Okay, here it is not, we are not covered directly. We are going to deploy like, okay, Vercel, they will take care of this image creation and everything. We are not the person.
Okay, usually front-end developers don't do. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, but how to deploy in GoDaddy, AWS and Vercel and deployment? okay, and publish your website to the world like that.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Thank you.
Hello.
Second.
Hello. Yeah, this is Raghavendra.
Yeah, go ahead.
So, any API with React will it cover in this session?
Yes, in the Node.js part, we are going to create some APIs. Okay. Now here, if you observe this client side, I'm going to create one application. Okay. We are going to online test. For example, one question form is there. Okay, that question I want to save it in my database. Okay, so at the time of clicking on the question form save button, my request to go to Node.js application. Okay, here we are going to write API call. That data we are going to store within the MongoDB. Okay, so in the Node.js part, we are going to create APIs. From the React, we are going to consume it. Got my point?
Okay, front end will be the React and back end will be the
Node. Okay, MongoDB is our database. Okay, here this part we not focus that much. That's what I'm telling. 30%. Okay, if you good with React, okay, with Java knowledge. For example, you are the Java guy. You can come up with your Java APIs. Just you can create one microservice. Okay, how to consume from client? It is like same. How to consume Node.js by using React? Same like that. We are going to come up with what Java, .NET, or Python, whatever you want.
Okay.
Got my point? So React is like a client. API calls we are going to write by using Node.js as part of this course.
Okay.
Okay. These APIs and everything we are going to consume by using Ajax. Okay. There has 3 ways are there: XML, HTTP request, fetch, and Anxious. By using this one, we are going to communicate with your server application. Okay. Yep.
Sir, how many classes for a demo and what is the fee?
Okay, demo is like 1 week max. Okay, but our actual sessions is going to start from day after tomorrow.
Okay. Okay. What about fee, sir?
Fee is like 5,000 without videos. With videos, 8,000.
Okay.
Okay,
Thanks.
who want to put some experience, better to take like with videos, because you need to practice more. You have to listen.
Yeah, thanks. So will you cover the real-time examples also?
Okay, each and every topic we are going to use in real time. Okay, see, real time and normal, it's not like that. Okay, you are learning React is nothing but whatever the concepts we are going to learn. Okay, this we are going to use in another application. Okay, that application, whenever you join in the company, okay, we are going to use that concepts. That's it. That name we are going to tell like real time, but the same React application only we are going to develop right there also.
So do you do a project on a React or separately with the HTML, CSS?
No HTML, no CSS. These HTML and CSS we are going to use in React only.
Okay. You mean to say we do a one project?
Here. This is your end-to-end. This is your project like.
Okay. So by then we do a single project on whatever we discuss the whole.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Hello, Srinu. Hansraj here.
Yeah, good.
Can you suggest any ebook or PDF like React with TypeScript? Like
say React with TypeScript or React. I personally prefer like React reactjs.org. It's like React official website. It's changed like react.dev. Okay, this is only the website I'm following. Okay, you people also follow this website. Each and every topic we are going to take from here only. We are going to explain. Okay, this is the website, official website.
It also used for the React with TypeScript. Actually, my project
it is completely JavaScript. Okay, React with TypeScript. If you want to learn TypeScript separately, you can learn. Okay, the concepts and everything is like same. TypeScript, the difference is concept is same. Wherever the variable is there, we are going to mention some type. That's it. as part of our course also, we are going to cover TypeScript and React.
Okay.
Got my point?
Yes.
Okay. There is no separate React with TypeScript. Official people, they only use JS. Okay. Got my point?
Yes. Yes. No, actually, I seen on Google like a packet ebook React with TypeScript, and they prepare the form controls with TypeScript. So that's why I'm asking.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay.
Hello, sir.
The VS Code.
Again?
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hello.
Go ahead.
Sir.
One by one.
Sir,
Yes.
is it mandatory for downloading the VS Code? Because of I am using the Sublime text editor.
If you want Sublime, you can use it, but I prefer like Visual Studio Code. I prefer.
Yeah, because
Okay, you can use any editor. That's not an issue.
in VS Code, we should download compulsory the extensions like HTML template, React template.
Not required. Okay, you can directly write it. That's not an issue. If you download and install also, that is not a problem, right? It is like okay, developer friendly. Okay, if you install
Yeah.
the extensions, you can easily get the boilerplate code. That's it. You can install it.
Yeah.
What's wrong with that? No issue.
Yeah.
If you want to
Yeah.
use Sublime, you can go with the Sublime. No problem at all. I prefer
Yeah,
Visual Studio Code.
yeah, I'm using the Sublime text editor from past 2 years, so that's why.
That's okay. Your wish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello.
Go ahead.
Hello. Hi. Actually, I'm working as a working professional now. I have a work day like Monday to Friday. The classes like Saturday, Sunday, or week full week like that. Hello. I'm audible. You're Hello. audible. Like we can't hear Srinu voice. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, I'm back. Sorry for that. Go ahead. Hey, guys.
Hi. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, as of now, I'm working. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
As of now, I'm working as an Angular developer.
Mm-hmm.
So I am facing issues on JavaScript. So it's like classes are weekly, like weekends or daily, like Monday to Friday, like.
Yes, only Sunday holiday. Last 1 month we are going to take Sundays also.
Okay. So it is full days, like Monday to Friday.
Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday.
Sir, is it
The
possible
timings, the
to
timings?
practice in Edit Plus?
Hello. You can practice
Hello.
by using any editor, Edit Plus, whatever you want. Eclipse also you can use it, no problem at all.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Your
sir.
wish.
Thank you.
One question.
Like class timings?
Class time is exactly 9 to 10.
One question, sir. So,
Yeah.
in a market, right, we have Angular, Vue, React.
Yeah.
So, which is good at present to learn for the further also, and in terms of technically, can you differentiate it?
So the thing is, now in the market, Angular and React both are ruling. Okay, that is completely depending upon the internal thing. For example, I have a company. Okay, I got some project on React. Okay, my client demands, can you complete this project on React? I don't have any React resource. Then the time I can go with what? Okay, recruiting React people. Okay, some Angular project came. We are going to recruit like Angular. Both React and Angular ruling the market. Okay, okay. It is not now. If React is very good, then the time Angular no one should use, right? People are using, right? Angular also. That means what? Okay. Based on our requirement. For example, you are the Java guy. You can easily learn Angular. Why? Because okay, the TypeScript same like class based only. You know Java. Okay, then the time you can easily learn like Angular or not. Okay, then the time I prefer like what? Okay, just I will train you like an Angular developer. Okay, I can suggest to my client, hey, I can complete this project on Angular. Like that, I can suggest, I can convince them. That is completely depends. Okay.
Hi, sir.
Whatever we can do with the Angular, we can do with React. Whatever we can do with the React, we can do with Angular. But React, there has one concept is their virtual DOM. Because of that one only, most of the people are using like React. What is this virtual DOM? That's one of our course wins.
Vue.js.
Good.
Hi, sir.
I heard about Vue.js, so that sounds very good.
Second, Vue.js. Okay, people are not using that much in the market. If you upload your resume, you can come to know. Okay, maybe they shift this in future.
Sir.
Yeah.
Currently, like I'm in the stage of learning JavaScript. Like from past 2 months, I've been learning front-end development. I completed HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. Currently, I'm learning JavaScript. Like this course will be helpful for me.
Yeah, you can directly join this course, no problem at all. Okay, you can, if you have a knowledge on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, okay, that would help, right? Okay,
Yes.
you can extend your knowledge here.
Okay.
Okay, you
Like,
can easily understand.
yes, sir. Like, will I get a certificate for one stack or only React? Only React, sir.
Okay, it is like a main stock. Okay, this course you can say. Why? Because you are using MongoDB, okay,
Yes, sir.
React, okay, Node, okay, with Express.
Yes, sir. Like
Okay.
on the certification, like
Certification, okay, you can ask Naresh people, they can provide. That's not an issue.
okay, sir. Like what about placement,
Yeah.
sir?
Main
Yes,
stack.
questions.
Sir, what about project?
Project, that's what, right? Okay, here, are you able to see my screen? Yeah, here, see this. I'm going to teach end-to-end applications, like 4 applications I'm going to teach. 2 are like by using, okay, REST. Okay, 2 are like by using GraphQL. Nowadays, people are using GraphQL in the backend. So you can tell this end-to-end like one project. Project is nothing but if you know how to create one form, in my project 100 forms are there. If you know one flow, remaining 99 you can do it, right? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Sir, how many days to complete this total
Okay,
topics?
sir.
You tell that.
How many days?
To complete this total topics, total program,
Minimum 60 hours.
60 hours.
That 60 hours may extend, okay, but I'm sure that it is not extended like 2.5 months. Okay,
2.5
if
months.
it is required, we are going to take like Sunday sessions.
Okay.
Is
That
there any evening batch is going to start?
No evening batch for me, but some evening batches are going in going on React. Okay, some other faculty, you can check with Naresh.
Okay, thank you.
So I had a question, sir. Like I am hearing like two terms like React.js and React Native. Kindly, can you elaborate?
See, React.js, it's a completely web-based. It's completely web-based. Okay, web application which is running inside the browser. React Native, you can write a code by using a React Native library. You can build for any platform. Okay, the same React concepts we are going to use. You can build for web platform. You can build for Android. You can build for iOS. Got my point? For mobile application development purpose, we are going to use most of the times React Native. Whatever the concepts you learn, the same concepts we are going to use React Native. The same concepts we are using Next.js. That's the reason if you know React, you can say, I can work on Next.js, I can work on React Native. That's the reason these two we added here. Got my point?
Yeah, sir. Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. This is Anjay. So yes, class is starting at 9 a.m. So I am working, so I cannot make it to class. So is there any way for to get the recordings of this
Yeah,
session?
obviously. Recordings daily basis you can get it. Okay. Daily basis you can get it, recordings and everything.
Okay. Is that means can I get the old recordings like instead of waiting every day? So if I can get the old recordings, I can.
Maybe it's not possible because it's like 6 months validity. So okay, if you get like old records also, okay, you can get like 1.5 months, 2 months only validity. Okay, that is like expired. So from the starting, if you calculate.
Okay, that means for each session you are going to stay for 6 months.
Yes, 6 months.
So yeah, that's fine, sir. And what is the Next.js actually? Is it a
Next.js is a framework. Okay, they built on top of React. Okay, the same concepts, but they added some extra features. Best feature is like routing. It's like a file-based routing they introduced. Okay, we'll discuss that. Okay, it's a framework on top of React they built.
Are we going to cover that in depth or how much?
Okay, next
Because
that's what if you know React, okay, you can say like I can work on Next.js. Why? Because React concepts only we are going to use in Next. Some extra feature they added. By seeing that one, you can understand. Why? Because you know React.
Okay.
Got my point?
Sir, how many hours the course timing? Sir, the course timing is how much?
Can you repeat the question again? Last guy who asked the question. Can you repeat the question again?
So he was asking what is the time period for the daily course?
Time period 9 to 10. 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. That's what I told, right?
This is only for online or offline?
It is completely online for now.
Okay. Suppose we have to attend the Saturday session for offline, it is possible or not?
You want to attend React sessions offline?
Yeah, and only Saturdays. Only Saturday, Sunday, sir.
No, Saturday, Sunday also online only. Okay, it's completely online course.
Okay. We have to cover any Angular topics here from basics, sir?
No, Angular not. It's completely HTML, CSS, JavaScript with React, some extended version, extended frameworks like Next.js, React Native, React with TypeScript, GraphQL, these things. Okay, it is not like we not introduce any concept, Angular concept here. Okay, that is completely different. Okay.
So, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Hi.
Hello. Yeah, go ahead. One by one.
So in my project, there is authentication and authorization,
yes,
which is happening in the React backend. We have APIs to authenticate with Azure AD B2C. B2C. So the authentication authorization it is going to happen in React only. So where we will cover, is there any topic that we have?
Yes, there. The JWT is there, right?
Okay.
JSON Web Token. Here at the time of login, okay, your credentials and everything is like correct. Then that time from the server, I can get like one token. I manage that token in my client side is nothing but in my React application. Okay, to tell to my server side guy, okay, I am like already authenticated person. I am sending this token for each and every request. Okay, how we can send it, I will tell. Next one is like authorization is nothing but one feature. For example, your role is like user, another person role is like an admin. So based on your role, I can enable your module for you. Okay, based on admin role, I can enable admin module for them. You are the authorized person for only user module. You are the authorized person for access only admin module. That is also we are going to cover. It's like a conditional rendering. Based on your role, we are going to render. Somewhere we have the topic. Got my point?
Yeah. So here, how to know the roles that will comes under claims, or do we need to create the roles explicitly in DB?
Okay, simple. For example, you can take like e-commerce website. Okay, you sign up. Now your role is like what? Are you able to upload any product, or your role is like just view or purchase? General. You are like a customer, right? If I create an account, I'm the customer. Okay, I'm not the person to upload any product or something, right?
Correct.
So at the time of sign up only, your details are going to store within the database. Okay, as per your page or some other, he is going to differentiate. You are like a customer, you are like an admin, you are like something. Yes or no? At the time of registration only. Whenever I log in, if my username and password is correct, he is going to give me the token. At the same time, your details also he is going to give to me. Hey, his role is like this one, his username is like this one. Based on that one, in my React, just I am going to, this module has to enable, this module has to enable, like that I am going to manage. So my role generally is stored within the database itself.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay, got it.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, good. Yeah,
Sir,
go ahead.
Sir, currently I am doing a core Java course, so it is beneficial for me for continuing the React JS.
Okay, there is no issue. Okay, core Java you can learn. Okay, that's good only. Okay, to improve your knowledge from back end side. So this is completely different. It's like front end course. Okay, you can join. That's not an issue. Good morning, sir.
Hello.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, one by one, no problem. Yeah.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, I have one question. So
Yeah.
how to create section by using React.js? Suppose that you said that once your login is stored in respective folders like that one. But in order to create section by using React.js, suppose that if I log in customer.
Here two things. One is like once my authentication is completed, my server side guy gives me one token. Now my authentication, whenever it is completed, one session is going to run in the background for my user. He is going to put like session timeout is like 30 minutes, something like that. From front end, what we are going to do is, in general, we are sending the request. For every request we are going to send the token, right? For example, there has 30 minutes gap is there, I am not performing any operation. After that, if I send a request to the server, already 30 minutes I set in the server side, right, session. So my session got expired, my token is like invalidate or not. That time what my server side guy is going to do, it is like what, session expired, he is going to give like some status code to me. Based on the status code, just I am going to navigate to login page. That is one thing. Got my point? In the back end, we are going to manage the session.
One thing, suppose that if alternate for token, any other way to store say authorization data?
Most of the times, if you want alternate for the token, you are like authorized, authenticated or not, in the front end, if you want, we are going to manage that one. In the state level, application level, one flag we are going to manage is authenticated true or false by using Redux, or in the local storage or session storage, or in the cookies we are going to manage that information.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Fine.
So currently I am doing UI full stack development.
Can you speak a little bit loud, please?
Hello.
Yeah.
Currently I am doing UI full stack development by Sunata Sharma, sir. Last 3 months. Is it okay for me or not?
Obviously, it's helpful.
Okay, okay. But sir, I have more gaps because before I joined this course, I am doing work in marketing field, but I switched in IT field. Is it good
Yeah.
for me or not?
And one more thing, see, not only for you, this one. See, you are the person knows about you. Okay. So if you learn any course, not only this one, anything, how much you comfort, you only knows. Okay, I am not the person, some other person don't know about. How much you comfort, are you able to understand or not, are you able to manage or not, you only come to know. Okay, you are able, two things here. One is like you are not able to understand how much you did the hard work, there is no use. Second option is like you are able to understand you not did hard work, then the time it is no use. Okay, first thing is like you are not able to understand, then the time just drop. Okay, why you need to put some more time here, waste of time, that is okay, you can choose some other. You are able to understand, okay, but you lack of practice only, I'm not able to get the things, that is in your hand. You can do that. Okay, you can, okay, you are the person, okay, you are belongs to which one, first one, okay, you are not able to understand, then the time drop. You are able to understand, I'm not able to put some effort, you can put some effort, like that you can. Got my point?
Yes,
Sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, is it possible to learn in real time projects?
That's what each and every concept is like real, in real time only we are going to use the word real time. Okay, it's like, okay, something different. Okay, here whatever we are learning, the same thing we are going to learn, okay, we are going to use in our project. Okay, that project in the company, whatever, okay, the project is running, or we are going to work on the project in the company, that one we are going to tell like the terminology like a real time. There is nothing real time or here or some other place. The React project is React project only. The concepts of React concepts on here or there or some other place, we are going to use same concepts only.
Okay, sir, got it.
Don't think like here it is not real time, there it is real time. There is no difference. React is React only wherever it is. The concept is same.
Good morning, sir.
Yep.
Okay.
Sir, can we use another database, sir, like SQL Server or Postgres?
Yeah, the thing is, in our course we are going to use like MongoDB. Okay, if you have good idea on Postgres or SQL Server, okay, it's a matter of just changing the connection strings. Okay, you can come up with your database so that I will help you. But in our course, in the class, we are going to use MongoDB.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hi, I have a few questions, please.
Yeah.
The first one is like when customer logs in our end-to-end application, are we use OAuth flow for authentication, or do we just store the credentials like username and password in the DB and just cross-check and then create a session?
Okay, just we are going to cross-check that one. We are going to create a session like that.
Okay, what about the API connectivities like between two servers? Do we ever use OAuth flow for API authentication? Or there also we use basic authentication or something like that?
Okay, here there is no OAuth concept here. We are not use anything. Okay, it's a basic authentication. Just it's a matter of, okay, we are getting as a client-side developer, just you can get like URL, right? Okay,
yeah,
send the request. Okay, the same URL, Node.js we prepared one API call. Okay, share that URL to React. Okay, React is going to send the request by using Ajax, and it is going to check in the database. It's a basic authentication only. We are not like any third-party OAuth. Okay, that kind of thing is not there.
Okay, cool. And the other one, like you're saying, the videos that you're going to share will be expired in 60 days. What exactly that means? Are you not going to give
6 months? 6 months.
So we can't download the videos to our
We
desktop.
can't
is it?
download the videos. Okay, it is only for the view purpose. I'm not sure about that one. We have to check with Naresh statement. Okay, but the expiry time is like 6 months or 9 months. I'm not sure about that one exactly. But I'm sure that we are not able to download.
Yeah, and okay, cool. So on the weekdays it will be 1.5 hour, and on the weekend it will be
Weekdays it's like 1 hour. Weekends,
okay,
it depends. Okay, 2 hours, 3 hours sometimes, like that.
Hello.
Yeah,
Sir,
cool.
it seems as per the discussions, so most of the people are working. So is there any possibility to change that, shift that class little early or something so that everyone can attend instead of depending on videos?
Yeah, the problem is there has one more batch 8 to 9.
Okay, is it in the middle of something or is it started now only? Can we
No,
join in that?
it's already 1.5 months completed.
Okay.
Hello.
Yep.
Yeah, are we going to cover any external API calls and CRUD operation with that, and also covering Firebase in this?
Okay, external APIs, we are only the person, we are going to create backend APIs, we are going to call it. Okay, it's not like external APIs.
Okay. I mean to say like some Google Maps API or those things.
Okay, that kind of integrations, not we can add it. That's not an issue. Okay, third party somewhere we integrate something like this bootstrap material design. Okay, if you want to add Google Map, yes, we can do that. Okay, I'll add.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, sir, can you paste the URL for downloading of this content in chat box?
You want me to share that URL? So this is the URL. You can click on that URL and go to today class link. You can download it.
Okay.
Hi, sir.
One question.
Yep.
So someone wants to start learning JavaScript, TypeScript, and React. So is this batch is correct, or is there any other batch I should wait for?
If you want to learn
JavaScript, TypeScript, and then React.
Okay, separate. You are asking.
Yeah, or is there any combined full kind of front-end technology patches there?
You need to check with Naresh. It should be there.
Okay, means React just combined with JavaScript and
yeah, this
other like
also that kind
CSS.
of only we are going to cover like all the HTML. We are going to cover CSS, JavaScript. Okay. I'm not sure. Okay, but separate batches are there. JavaScript separate, HTML, CSS. You need to check with Naresh.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Go ahead.
Like I did my engineering in mechanical branch, sir. So like I have a 1 year career gap. Currently the situation is like going bad. Can you clarify about recession and like further job opportunities, sir?
See, if you have subject, if you have stuff, okay, that is not an issue. You can put like some experience. You can get the calls, number of calls. You can get it.
Yes, sir. Like
first of all, you should have to learn the subject.
Okay, sir. Like
don't believe any other. Okay, don't believe on yourself. Just learn the subject. Focus on the subject. Okay, put like some experience, 1 year gap or how much you have the gap. Put some experience. You can get easily. You can get multiple calls on React.
Okay, sir. Will you provide any placement assistance, sir?
Okay. In Naresh IT, there has some placement batches are running. You can check with Naresh IT.
Okay, sir. Like
it's a placement batches are running. I think. Okay, you can check with them. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Like do I enroll in a React course with the placement batches, sir?
You need to check with them. I'm not sure about this, about that placement batch, how to enroll.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you can go to Naresh at the main office. You can.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Any other questions, anyone?
Excuse me, sir. I have small doubt.
No.
Myself, Magna.
No.
Is it okay for me to go through this course? Because I don't have basic knowledge. As a fresher, is it okay for me?
Yeah, that's what I'm telling, right? See, as a fresher, you have some mechanical background or different background. Okay, currently you're working for marketing or whatever it is. Okay, just attend for sessions, not only this course, any course before learning. Okay, first of all, think, are you comfortable with this course or not? Are you able to understand or not? You are not able to understand, just drop. You are able to understand means you have to put some efforts. Got my point? Okay, just attend some sessions. After that, you can think yourself or don't ask anyone. Okay, think yourself, okay, I'm suitable for that, I can learn. Then that time you can go ahead. Otherwise, simply you can drop.
Okay. It means nothing but is it okay for job hunting?
This course for that only, right?
Okay.
Okay, if you learn this total course and everything, okay, I said like before, if you have a gap, you can put like minimum 2 to 3 years of experience, you can easily crack the interview with these concepts.
Okay.
Okay, that's what.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, one other question. So, do we use Redux toolkit or we use plain Redux?
Here we are using like Redux toolkit library only. Redux JS toolkit library, but the concepts and everything we are going to use like Redux. Okay, instead of that, if you say here it is, yeah. Okay, here this one, right? Okay, here we are using like @Redux JS toolkit, the library we are going to use. Okay. To manage the state. Not only that one, we are going to use like one more library also, juice stand. Nowadays people trying to use this one also. Okay. And this one is the same thing you can achieve by using use reducer hook also, state management. These are all things. State management.
Yeah, okay, cool. Thank you.
And are you going to launch kind of testing framework?
Yeah, RTL, React Testing Library. Okay, just with RTL. React Testing Library we are going to use.
Okay, some other are available at just
Just is a test runner. By using RTL, we are going to write or we are going to test our React components. Okay.
Like, will this course covers SAS and less, sir?
SAS is there. Okay, in React, how to use SAS. Okay, I'll tell. Okay, it's not like full-fledged. Don't expect more like all SAS concepts and everything. Just how to include SAS in the React, I'm going to tell.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is model CSS, styled components, SAS. Okay, different ways we are going to use to apply the CSS in React. That one we are going to discuss.
Yes, sir. Like one more thing is, as I told that, like I have knowledge on front-end technologies up to Bootstrap. So like,
if you
will it be helpful to learn like Adobe and Figma, sir? UX design.
If you have knowledge on front-end technologies, obviously it's helpful to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
In React.js, which type of projects will do?
It's a kind of end-to-end applications. By using React.js, you're asking.
Yes, sir.
Front-end applications which are running inside the browser. Any application which running inside the browser, those applications we can develop by using React or Angular or Vue.
Okay.
And you said this course has been happening from last 1.5 months. So what is the first part that already completed?
8 AM batch you're asking?
Yes.
Yeah, we completed HTML and CSS and React. Okay, some of the JavaScript topics we completed. Okay,
And
most
now it
yeah.
is the React part is starting, basically the second
Yeah.
where we are getting onboarded.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, actually I'm looking for that kind of course, which from the beginning, HTML, CSS, JavaScript.
That's
So,
what this course is a suitable one, right?
but you are saying it is already 1.5 months completed.
No, okay, 8 AM batch you're asking. Okay, already
Yeah.
completed. Yeah, then that is mine is there is no batches are running. Okay, these 2 batches only for React.
So APM batch, you are saying like what is the like batch name it is called?
No, 8 AM only. Just you can tell like faculty name, then they can tell.
Okay.
What was the issue to join this timings issue or what?
No, I'm basically looking for a course from the scratch so that HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then React. So kind of.
Then this was also same, right? Your question I didn't get you. But this is also same kind, right?
Okay, okay.
Okay, first we are going to start with HTML and then CSS. Okay, and then JavaScript and React co-parallel. Okay, to learn, okay, if to learn React, some prerequisites are required like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. There is nothing is required. Okay, we are going to teach everything in this course only. Okay, it is a kind of from scratch. Okay, from scratch we are going to. Got a point?
Yes. But at the same time, we are saying this batch already a continuing batch, right? This batch is already continuing from last
No,
1.5.
This batch started today itself.
No.
You
This
are
batch
confusing, I
is
think.
today 8 AM batch is like 1.5 month completed. Okay, so you just confused. Looks like this batch is the new batch.
Okay.
9 AM batch is the new batch. Okay. 9 AM batch is the new batch. Today only the first today.
And 8 o'clock, 8 AM batch
8
that is
AM
already
already
completed.
1.5 month completed. Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
How much max days, sir?
Maximum.
Yes, max.
Maximum 4 months.
4 months.
Last batch taken like 4 months, but not that much. Okay, I'm
For
going
React
to
alone.
React alone means these all topics.
Okay.
Okay, last batch started on 15 to 2023. Yesterday only we completed.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm not telling like all the batches like that. That depends. Okay, some holidays and everything. So maximum 3 months. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, 2.5 months. Okay, maximum 3 months.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Will we get any recording if we miss any class?
No recordings. Okay, why? Because recordings, videos, and everything taken care by other team. Okay, that is not in our hand.
Okay.
Okay, that's what. Okay, if you want to put some experience or something, better to take the recordings. Why? Because you can get the chance to revise the sessions.
Okay. And timing will be like 9 to 10 only, that right?
Exactly.
Or no extension, because then there is some like
extension.
everyone has some other job.
No extension 9 to 10. Okay, if it is required, we are going to take like Sunday session, but it is not extended.
Okay, yeah. Thanks.
Okay, if we extend also, it is not like our actual topic. If anybody asks the question, okay, we can extend for him. Okay, but that is not like an actual topic.
Okay.
Okay, like
got it. Thanks.
And those who will enroll with videos, the video link will be shared immediately after the class.
Yeah,
or-
within 1 hour, you can get the video link to your email ID.
Okay.
Yeah, within 1 hour or 2 hours maximum.
No, sir, can you please tell me the React.js fresher packages and experience and highest package?
That is depends. For example, I am the interviewer. I like you very much. Okay, you answered each and every question. Then that time you demanded like 25 lakhs. Just it's like a 4 years of experience. I'm ready to give.
Okay, and fresher?
Okay, as a fresher, okay, that depends upon the company. That depends upon the company. If it is like okay, startup company, then the time they are going to give like 20K like that per month. If it's like MNCs, okay, 10K also there. Startups, that depends. Okay, show your okay subject. Just expose your subject. Then that if they like, they are ready to give how much you want.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
What is the main purpose of the React.js?
Yeah. So if you take this one, okay, this is your browser, right? Okay, you enter something like ndtv.com. Okay, whenever you open this particular ndtv.com domain in your browser, this page loaded, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this page we can develop by using React. Okay, or any page which is rendered inside the browser, we can develop by using React. Okay, the pages which interact with the user. See, I'm interacting with this one or not. This page interacting with them with the user. I am the user, right? Okay, that kind of pages we can develop by using React.
Okay.
Got my point? That can be
Can we,
anything. Second.
can we also create higher order components?
Obviously, higher order functions are there, higher order components are there. So many topics are there.
Okay, sir.
Yep.
So we can design like user interactivity with JavaScript also. Then
Yeah,
what would be the
JavaScript also. Yeah.
like
For example,
how-
the same page by using JavaScript, 1000 lines of code is required. Time is like 2 minutes time it is taken to render.
Yes, sir.
The same requirement by using React, I can do instead of 100 lines of code is enough. Rendering time is like 2 minutes to 2 seconds. Which one
Yes,
you
sir.
prefer?
Yes, sir. Like optimizing
Okay.
time on the lines.
Yeah, that's what.
Yes, sir.
Any other questions, anyone?
No, sir.
Okay, you can come up with your questions, no problem. Okay, tomorrow this kind of session only. Day after tomorrow onwards, we are going to start with HTML. So I already told, right? Okay, the content and everything I shared with you. Just go through that content. If you want me to add any other things, I can add it. You can come up with your thoughts. Okay, topics, whatever. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then. Thank you guys. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Hello.